helicopter no oye na dwen say onko osi fom mprensa anye ye na de to so na akwanhia no baaye no ansa na dwemhia ne be hwese wo ma na atimu no ebinum make calls omo frɛ nkofo aka ho asɛm
because at that time na ye calls no if the emergencies you say Ghana is not working. Ghana is a bunch of individuals trying to make something work. You don't need Yehua John Mahama to come before this nation will work. If the things are done right and the things are placed well, we don't need somebody to work. Emergency service almost they could have been there. At least they could have saved one person.
Body bag ekoye rubber bi apam no say bag ya sabi onipa fi hu a yade ni hyem oni ade zepa tum ni apagya no no omo de bi koye na ade bag ne to fom na sabi o sese mo no gumu a unya mpagya kwa na nane ense na eja na hye na fom o nyina bin ya bi omo de bag ni besi bia ya rubber na nane
I mo kasi obi akwa eboni ti na helicopter patcho all those times no obi kwa eboni. Let's stop kidding ourselves. We don't learn. It is that when the problem comes today, tomorrow it will come because and then buy no. Yeah, who there and now same way you can reaction next time it will happen again. Hello, hi, Xposed GH. The name is Ben Bruce. Baby, I'll be able to check na Emma. Helicopter na a no. Hours to the time. You have to say a tricycle landed 3 times. And to me I landed. And na a torrent say at Ghana. But your UTV for na yes I use name go timra.
Helicopter no ye na dwen say you share kanino or you not dwen say onko osi fom mprensa anye ye na de to so na akwanhia no baaye no ansa na dwemhia ne be hwese wo ma na atimu no ebinum make calls omo frɛ nkofo aka ho asɛm ɛno na ma ye hu ye wo se mu bako owura Samuel Aboagye onyame fa ne kra ensie abra won ti dwemhia ni mu no wo frɛ DC ye wo Oboase ɛbɔ na mane ye sɛ omo dru Oboase airstrip no omo pɛsa nkomo gina omo try anye ye na ewiemu ayeka bisi ewiemu adu su dudu na ebona si enti ewiem shekani no wo hunu fom eto mo twa mo frɛ wo Boase airstrip no so e no mo san akoye omo sa dru ba bia fa se Ofori stadium e won so mo try se nko mo si fom wiem sheni twa no frɛ no so antimi anyina e no so mo koye eto Boase airstrip no mo try emprenu anye ye ano mo dru stadium so mo try ye e no so anye ye ni nya na ewiem a enya ntia eto osisa mprensa ni nyina wo frɛ DC ye Oboase ne se faka begina bia asimasi twen yen bia ye adwen se kiye besi yentimi nyina ho omode ka no kwa ensi no so da bi yentimi anyina o ye san kwa ntimo faka ne mra eti sa course na oye ye no eno na masa danse yi epi abonten se omo pray ya sanka obenya ba bi fufuru agina na so wiem ana enya nti wantimi anya ba bia anyina eno achi owura Ofori Agyeman Aboagye a oka asemi kuma se me yono no wokasa no asem se yesie na yese se o mamu a na kokoo boto anya sese mu na guma cheche no se asane ba mu ni esiye na monto no Boase na de bu eba iri bi no ane se ba bia wiemse ne kwate hwe no kwaye brentuo mfimfi ka kwan enna ho enipa kwan na ba bia eto obukọ mu nante o mu na muro mu don hwere mienu na mo nam kwaye ase yo mo hwehwe ba bia kwanhia na sie ansa no mo ko hunu ba bia asem na sie etia bio omo di body bag ekoye rubber bi apam no se bag ya sabi onipa fi hu a yade ni hyem oni ade zepa tum ni apagya no no omo di bi koye na ade bag ne to fom na sabi o sese mo no gumu a unya mpagya kwa na nane ense na eja na hye ma fom o nyina bin bia omo di bag ni besi bia ya rubber na nane eta fe no mo so mo enso no se ne mo ma ye botoy na omo di boto ba ye na omo sesa ade no gumu no mo kyekere ye enti sabi o anya nimtiabuo ya na ye omo denti na omo sese mu no egu kokko botom ekyeche ano de koye te bia na omo wo mu no sa na omo ye
asema ese mekane se ye wo poor emergency response in Ghana poor sa obroni and for 3 times omo aye SOS call to the authorities calling people say we are in danger. At least site now plane crash here no there should have been fire service there. Fire service no money man say yankwa adwuma yakwa wia ni akotena oni ne girls na ekasa adwuma ni cross omo nim ebro na omo bro because at that time na ye course no if the emergencies you see Ghana is not working. Ghana is a bunch of individuals trying to make something work. You don't need Yehua John Mahama to come before this nation will work. If the things are done right and the things are placed well, we don't need somebody to work. Emergency service, they could have been there. At least they could have saved one person. But because we don't care about life, we care about political power, not life into dignity. If he said we will go and save this man. How are we experience? You see, say Ghana, you Jimmy double. Nobody, can say first time near helicopter ashras or Ghana. Share video way now. How many times are helicopter ashras or Ghana?
Ghana's Skies of Sorrow. April 24th, 1969. A Ghana Airways Douglas C-14 bound for Takoradi suffers twin-engine failure on final approach. It crashes just 3 kilometers short of the runway. 1 person dies, 8 are injured. June 5th, 1970. A Ghana Air Force Beaver vanishes into dense jungle near Dabawasi. 5 days later, rescuers reach the wreck. All 7 aboard are gone. November 13th, 1978. A piper. Navajo chieftain goes down near Ghana's western border. The pilot and 3 passengers perish as the wreck burns in the forest. June 5th, 2000. In heavy rain and poor visibility, a Ghana Airlink Fokker F-27 slams nose first into Kotoka International Airport's runway. 7 lives are lost. March 16th, 2002. An Augusta Bell 412 helicopter crashes in the Ottawa forest during a medical evacuation. All 7 perish. Their state funeral at Osu Military Cemetery draws national and foreign dignitaries. January 12th, 2000. A Ghana Air Force Mi-17 carrying the casket of Air Marshal Michael Akwoko Otu crashes while landing in Adukram. Everyone survives, but the remains of the former Chief of Defense Staff are destroyed in the blaze. June 2nd, 2012. An Allied air cargo Boeing 727 overruns the runway in Accra, breaks through a fence, and collides with vehicles on a nearby road. 12 people on the ground are killed. The crew survives. October 6th, 2015. A Starbow Airlines BA-46 overshoots the runway at Tamale. All 76 on board escape unharmed, but the aircraft is written off. March 19th, 2024. A Ghana Air Force Harbin Z-9 crash lands near Bonsukrom during a power line inspection. 3 people are injured, none killed. August 6th, 25. A Harbin Z-9 helicopter en route to Obuasi crashes in the Ashanti region. All 8 aboard perish.
I more Cassia Obia Bonitina helicopter and patch. All those times no Obi Bonnie. Let's stop kidding ourselves. We don't learn. It is that when the problem comes today, tomorrow it will come because and then they buy no. Yeah, who says and now same way you can reaction next time it will happen again because we are not wise. Yeah, Jimmy. Send your corner the same thing. Sazi they say I try say above from that. It is what was done. What emergency repairs was done. For 3 times, the pilot wanted to land, but he couldn't land because been a technical fault, so been a manipulative. Say why you say inexperience, so we don't know. Now say na Ghana ebe kone di hat. Make Ghana for Ghana, because same way there. Meet na Ghana. Na me say I Xposed GHFM subscribe share. But the 2 man answer can be one.